Single van plumbers crushing it in Cleveland, serious wheel upgrades for your crawler, and million-dollar software wins. The May issue of Cleaner shows what's possible when the right tools meet the right crew. But first, a message from our sponsor. Are you sick of crawlers spinning their wheels? TruGrit Traction set out to fix that, and they've been crushing it for a decade. Check out how this crew turned a greasy pipe problem into patented performance-boosting gear that keeps inspections rolling when OEM parts tap out. Upgrade your crawler today. Visit TruGritTraction.com. Read more about it in Behind the Gear on page 40. No jackhammers, no resin mixing headaches, just fast, clean, rock-solid pipe repairs. See how Handy Plumbing Man leveled up with UV-cured pipelining and why his crews are fighting over the gear. Want fewer callbacks and more profit jobs? Here's how one California crew lit the way. He's got one van, one helper, a Spartan jetter, and a sense of humor sharp enough to cut roots. Meet the Cleveland plumber who's turning 15-hour days and 100-year-old pipe jobs into loyal customers and laugh-out-loud moments. Want to know why Dr. Freeflow would rather stay small than scale up? How do you rehab 150-year-old brick sewers without digging up the pavement? PW Trenchless pulled it off in downtown Victoria using glass-reinforced plastic pipe and a few clever moves to keep residents and city officials happy. Check out how they navigated tight curves, tricky logistics, and one surprise water main. Nadante Jones used to spend weeks pricing out big projects by hand. Now he knocks them out in hours, thanks to one tool that changed everything. Take a look at the software that helped NJ Jones Plumbing land millions in work without losing sleep. What's the one tool you can't live without? We want to hear about it. Email editor@cleaner.com and your favorite tool could be the next star in money machines. Need a portable jetter or cable machine but not sure which model to get? Check out the directory on page 36 and shop by specs. From powerhouse cable machines and high-pressure nozzles to smart hose reels and smoke testers, these tools are built to tackle the toughest jobs. Got a game-changing job story or a clever trenchless fix? The 2026 NASTT No Dig Show wants your expertise. Submit your abstract by June 30th. Don't wait. The Subsite UtiliView app lets you push one button on your UtiliGuard 2 RTK locator to send accurate data straight to your map instantly. No transfers, no hassle, just faster, smarter locating. Thank you for watching and thank you for reading Cleaner Magazine. See you next month.